Hi, Mellie Beane here, and today we are going to draw a cute cupcake. Alright, so for this video I'm going to be using yellow, red, blue, black, and I've got a purple colored pencil, a gold gel pen, a silver gel pen, white, and that yellow one. Alright, so this one should be pretty simple, so just follow along. So right here, we're going to draw a circle. This is going to be the top of the cupcake, and it's going to be the cherry on top. Now, from the middle of the cherry on the side, you're going to start to draw a line that swoops out and comes back in, kind of like a little bit of a U shape, or kind of a C shape. And then on the other side, you're going to do the same thing. Out and swoop it around and stop right about here. Now you're going to draw some little bumps coming off of that, probably about 4 or 5 bumps, or however many as you want to do. You can do big bumps or little tiny bumps. This is going to be the top of your cupcake wrapper. Now if you come down a little bit, you're going to draw a curved line, just a little bit. And then you're going to meet the top of the cupcake wrapper to the bottom of the cupcake wrapper on each side, just like that. Now in the middle of the top part of your cupcake, you're going to draw 2 circles, one right here on the left, and then one right here on the right. And these are going to be eyes for the cupcake. Then in between those eyes, underneath, you're going to draw a little curved U shape for a smile. And now on each of those points that goes down on the top of the wrapper, you're just going to draw a line that goes all the way to the bottom. And do that on each bump. Now I'm going to grab my red and I'm going to color in the cherry. Do you like cherries? Like, what's your favorite kind of cherry? Like, do you like the maraschino cherries on Sundays, or just like the cherries that you eat out of the bag? I love the cherries that you eat out of the bag. I think those are my favorite. But I do like cherries on my Sundays. Now I'm going to grab yellow, and I'm going to go around the cherry and all the way around. And I'm going to fill in the top part of the cupcake above the wrapper, but I'm going to be careful not to color in the eyes. Now I'm going to grab my blue marker, and of course you can use any color that you want for this. You can make your cupcake any color, but I'm going to change in between two colors on the wrapper, and I'm going to use blue, and I think I'm actually going to throw some pink into the mix. So right now I'm skipping each section and I'm filling in every other one with the blue. And then I'll leave the ones that I'm leaving white right now, I'm going to fill those in, I think, with pink. So you pick whatever color you want, because this is your cupcake that you're drawing. You could even put polka dots on your wrapper. That would be fun. You don't have to do just stripes. That's what being creative is all about. It's using your imagination and doing what you think would look good. Now I'm going to grab black and I'm going to color in the eyes, but I'm going to be very careful here, and I'm going to leave one little tiny bit on the eye white, just like that, because it gives him a little sparkle in his eyes. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and I'm going to try to keep that white spot on the same part of the eye that I did on the other one. Very carefully, just like that. I think this cupcake needs some eyelashes. You don't have to put eyelashes on yours, but if you want to, join me! I'm going to grab some red again, and this time I'm going to go ahead and go over the mouth. Make the cupcake smile a little bit brighter. I'm going to grab that pink that I used. I'm going to give it some little cheeks right under the eyes and on each side of the mouth. And now my favorite part, I'm going to use my gold gel pen, and I'm going to come in and I'm going to color all around the yellow part of the cupcake. Now I'm going to grab my silver gel pen, and I'm going to go all the way around the cherry. And then I'm going to put a little bit right here to to make it shine like it's a reflection. And then I'm going to use the silver all the way around the cupcake wrapper. And now I'm going to put some of that silver all around the eyelashes and the top of the eyes. I just really like doing this part because I like to make my drawings sparkly. So if you don't like to do sparkly drawings, you don't have to. You could do something else. You could actually just use gel pens that did not have sparkles in them. You could use different colors. There's lots of different colors of gel pens that you can use, but gold and silver are probably my favorites. I'm going to put a little bit on the mouth. And for the finishing touch, I'm going to get my red and I'm going to draw a cherry stem. Perfect, just like that. Isn't this the cutest cupcake you've ever seen? And then a little bit of silver right there. And voila! A cute little cupcake. I hope you enjoyed this video and come back and join me for some more drawing videos. I'd love to have you. Bye.